Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for the continuous support and the big up on yourself. So, me juggle both on the social media street, and sometimes I hear a lot of nonsensical things talking, and sometimes you just think I can't even bother to talk about it. But due to what was going on this week about this Western Union lock and every year the same nonsense, the same FBI talk and IRS and all kind of rest. Yes, every year is the same thing. Yeah, so a little bit more if you touch on is this wire transfer, money transfer, or remittance service, whatever you call it. Yeah, just want to touch on it because we hear certain people saying, the Western Union or the money transfer people don't call you. Yeah, they don't call you. So I just want to talk about my experience with these transfer money to Jamaica, because I've transferred large sum of money come here one other platform, because them over that place I was at top, but we hear another platform was saying you can't send a certain amount of money at Jamaica. So that's what I want to talk about. But first thing, let me say really, the four main charities that I see down at Jamaica, is such lady, Blessing After Flow, Erica, and then another lady my name I used to watch is then. But the others I don't really know much about anyway. So them are the main charities down at yard that me know. And also Erica says she and a charity registered, yes. I don't know, but I know the other lady that they did do some audit and recently she had charity registered. So I'm saying I don't think such ladies charity no registered. So people have all kind of things to say, but who knows? I don't think she wouldn't have registered a charity. That's what I gotta say. But she not say nothing. She not say nothing to them. Basically, it's none of their business. But kind of looking at the whole thing, I'm thinking it looks like the charity is registered, because if they're gonna say, if people are gonna try and use their name to say they want to collect money, what is that telling you? That's the bit me gonna say. But anyway, let's get into this thing here now. So this thing about Western Union, all them people they won't call you. Two time send a large sum of money. Yes, so you only got a certain amount of money, then say per month you can send down a yard. So all you show is your ID to send the money. If you want to send more than that, you have to upload your details on the system, and you can send whatever amount you want to send. However, you have to show a bank account to say that you got regular income coming in into that account. You got a job and you got money coming in. And I know this for a fact because a couple times me send a large sum of money a yard here. The first time, one of the time I sent some money, it was for a funeral, and we went to the agent, to the MoneyGram agent, to send the money. And it was the post office, so them said to upload my details after, and me using my credit card or my debit card to send the money. And when the next day, I think the people then went to pick up the money and I couldn't get it. So I thought I can't be doing this, and I tried to call the MoneyGram people them, and they don't speak good English, and I couldn't fathom out. I couldn't get through to them. I couldn't get through to them. I couldn't understand what they're saying, and I don't think they were getting what me saying. So anyway, we went back and cancelled. I cancelled because I thought to myself, well, the money needs to get down there quick and fast, so me cancel. And then I went to somewhere else, which they deal with Jamaica National. It's an agent that deals with Jamaica National. So me go, and the man said shouldn't be a problem. Jamaica National, some of these like MoneyGram places in Jamaica, they only keep a small amount of money, but if you go like to Jamaica National, them big banks there, the money, you're gonna get the money. You know, there won't be an issue. So I send the money with them anyway. So when we get home, we get a phone call from the place went to say that they want to see. They requested a bank statement. Yes, so they want to see bank statement. So I had to drive back over there, drop off my bank statement, because they want to see that money come out of my bank and I've got regular money in and out of the bank here. So so that's what I did anyway. The next day was a bank holiday in Jamaica, and then because the money was for a funeral, and the following day a family member went to pick up the money. This is a very important person in Jamaica. She got a good job, and she got her ID and everything, so she went to pick up the money. Obviously she'd have probably bring paperwork to show that, you know, it's for a funeral and all that. However, they still did want to see detail. They still did want to speak to me. The people them that from this side know it was for a funeral, because that's all we put down, it's a funeral and all that. But them still wanted to speak to me. They call me and them ask me questions. Yes, so them ask me my job, and all them things there. They asked me quite a few things. They asked her and then them asked me the same thing to see if it's all, yeah, marry up. So this is it really, when people are giving out misinformation on them platform, you know, inaccurate information deliberately, you know, just to deceive people that don't understand about the ins and outs. And then they use the word of scamming. What is this? Wire fraud. Wire fraud. Because wire fraud, my understanding of wire fraud is normally when you send, because back in the day when we send money a check, we used to write and all that and take so many days to clear and all that. If you're sending money to Jamaica, you'd have to send it postal order, all that kind of thing. That don't exist anymore. So obviously it's quick transfer, isn't it? But wire fraud is when somebody scam you, in the sense where you send the money into the account and next minute you know, hear from them and tell you, say, you know, it could be money for a piece of land or something, and them try to get quick money out of you. So you send that money and then them disappear. But I don't know how you can link the money to wire fraud to somebody down a yard that's doing some form of charity that people know them and all that. I don't see how that link, you know, intelligent people are trying to manipulate and twist things and say, use those words that people think, oh yeah, he goes off it, you a fraud, I'm a fraud. You can't be frauding if somebody's going there using your name, saying your name, that this person is a person that does charity and blah 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 blah. The person from this side would have explained what they're sending the money down there for. So I don't know how it can become a scamming or a wire fraud or whatever. People need to stop using words to manipulate them audience and tell lies. Basically, that's how I see it. It's deliberately telling lies, yeah. And that's basically what I'm gonna say, really, that you can send more than the amount that they ask for. The only thing is you have to prove with you know, bank statement and all them kind of things to say how you get that large sum of money. You know, they want to see, say, you know, say you have a job and you're working and the money is going to the right person and it's no kind of fraudulent activities. Yeah, that's basically what that's all about, and that's all I'm gonna say on the subject. Yes, and foreign woman don't talk, and she's out.